Hi guys, so we're on a trip right now and hi guys, my interruption from
It's the navigation, the GPS.
okay, sorry guys, there was an interruption from the navigation. So I saw April post about this today. It's called Tupig. I don't know if I even pronounced that right, but I think so. I've never had it, didn't even know about it, but of course, being me, I like to try it, and April lives quite close to me, so I bought it. So it smells so good. It actually smells so typical of Filipino kakanin, kind of like how puto is, with that kind of charred leaves. Yeah, rice, coconut mixture actually. So, but I don't know, and I'm very curious about the taste. So that part was thin and kind of a little crispy, just a little bit tough. Actually good, really good. It's interesting. So I just opened another one, but I gave mine to my husband. This one's a little bit tougher, it seems. I must say I like this. What's your comment?
Yes, good.
It's a bit sweet. You know what I like about this? In comparison to, let's say, budbud, because that's what it reminds me of because of these leaves, is the fact that it's not very oily. So, it's not... no. This is softer. Which texture do you like better?
First one.
The kind of dry one?
It had strings inside, that was interesting. This one has not.
Like coconut strings. Okay.
Oh, this one has not. Has.
I think the one that's bigger did not get dried out, so it has a softer texture, but I must say I kind of like the one that's kind of dried out. I can eat both, but yeah. Two thumbs up, guys. It's yummy. I'm not disappointed. I would say I would even go as far as say that this is probably one of my more favorite kakanin, because it has taste and it really has flavors. Yeah, I'm definitely not disappointed. Bye.